Good evening. We're here in Dublin and we have the pleasure to have with us Jean-Luc Laurent-Delhouzard. Jean-Luc is Procurement Director for IT and Telecom for Alcatel-Lucent. So Jean-Luc, thank you very much for being here with us in Dublin. We enjoy the weather, liquid sunshine as usual. I have two questions for you, Jean-Luc. What is the value that HPFS is bringing to you and Alcatel-Lucent?
I would say several folds. First of all, an incremental value to the regular hardware and software proposal, because it brings the additional layer that might facilitate to do business with HP. That's point number one. The point number two, through some of the innovative approach that the company HP as a whole is having, it's really facilitated my life in a sense that we now have the capacity through, for example, an FCS to really move from a regular technology approach, buy my box, to something that is more related to the effective usage. You pay for what you use, which is absolutely critical to us in the sense that as we have to protect our cash as much as we can, moving to utility model is more than necessary. And this is clearly where the HPFS brings the additional value that makes a difference.
All right, thank you, Jean-Luc. Great insight. Thank you for this feedback. But so as we are, always striving to increase the value we bring to our customer, according to you, what else can HPFS does to help drive the differentiation for you and Alcatel-Lucent?
If you allow me a joke, I'm always having a lot of pleasure to see you, but you are too often behind. In other words, I would like to see more HPFS in the forefront of the relationship with Alcatel-Lucent for at least two good reasons. The first one, and I can talk only for my company, I'm not talking for the entire market, but more and more the decision-making process shifted towards finance more than the pure technology. And therefore, I believe that per nature, the HPFS people can have, let's say, much more appropriate pitch, addressing finance people, specifically when it comes to utility model, where the technology is in the background, but finance is really on the forefront. That's number one. And the second reason where I do expect to see HPFS in the forefront is this utility approach today exists for some particular product, on storage, on servers. But I really do believe that you could make a much more, you could get a much bigger footprint by being on the forefront, where you could address not only the technology, but the service as well. We are delivering solutions to our customers and having embedded into one single, let's say, bundle what we, Alcatel-Lucent, can bring in terms of software and a bit of technology. We could address end customers, not only end use that I'm representing, but the end customer in the same way, because the market is definitively going utility.
All right, thank you. That's really insightful, and you are going to see me a lot more often now.
My pleasure.
Thank you very much, Jean-Luc.
You're welcome. Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Perfect.